Rhythm 1. Left note, right chord. It plays exactly as it sounds. Left note, right chord. You're going to use 4 chords: C, 2 left, A minor, 2 left to F, 1 up to G. The left hand is going to play the root of the chord 1 octave to the left. C, A minor, F, G. An easier way to write it all down. Now you can see from the previous pages that if I had to describe everything using keyboard diagrams, this book would end up very long indeed. Let's see if we can find an easier way, a more concise way to describe musical ideas. So what you were playing was C note followed by C chord, A followed by A minor, F followed by F, G followed by a G chord. So imagine if the 3 left-hand single notes were represented by single dots. So the C was just a single dot on the page, and the 3 right-hand chords were represented by 3 vertical dots. So you can imagine if that was played vertically. So the pattern you just played could be written in the following way. C note, single dot, followed by C chord, 3 vertical dots. And the A note, dot, followed by 3 vertical notes again for A minor, then F, followed by F chord, G, followed by G chord. So that would work much better than using keyboard diagrams. But can you see that this is very similar to how proper music notation works? So have a look at the similarities. So there's your right hand lines, your left hand lines. You've got the chords in the right hand. So you've got the C, the A minor, the F, and the G, and the left hand single notes. C, A, F, G. And if you follow it in sequence, so first of all it's the C note in the left hand, followed by the C chord, then the A note in the left hand, followed by the A minor chord, then the F note, followed by the F chord, then the G note, followed by the G chord. So proper music notation is actually the easiest and most concise way to describe musical ideas. So I'm going to teach you some very basic music notation so that you can follow many more ideas in the books. But don't panic. At this stage, all you're going to need to do is see the music notation in terms of shapes and patterns. I'm going to name the left hand notes and the right hand chords for you, and the videos will describe where they are on the piano. So have another look at what you've just played in music notation. Got your right hand and your left hand, C note followed by C chord, A note followed by A minor chord, F note followed by F chord, G note followed by G chord. In the next video we'll show you the basic music notation.